Well, this is day 3 of riding in the rain. Just came home when it was wet, rainy last night, and now it's going to be wet and rainy again today. It's not pouring right now, but it's still drizzling. You can see my bike is still wet from last night. It's just one of those things. Living on, wrong side. Living the bike life. Ugh. Hello, Mr. Sheriff. Sitting back to get people running red lights, people speeding, I guess. Oh, I guess this is a major intersection. Yeah, we got Highway 85 going this way. That's Highway 74. This road I'm on is just a little country road. But, yeah, lots of cars go by right here, as you can tell. So I guess there's lots of people that run the red light or come screaming through here. I don't understand why, because, you know, it's a big intersection. I just realized I forgot to grab food. Well, guess I'll be hungry today. Alright, I think they're about to go, which means we got the turn signal, and then I'll get to go. Wait. Well, what is going on, Tuba Billy? Oh man, it is kind of nasty weather today. I took off the little chin guard flap thing because my visor keeps fogging up, and it's still fogging up, so that didn't do a thing. Now I just got cold wind blowing on my chin. At least I got my beard to cover it up a little bit. I was hoping to get some more airflow so that it wouldn't fog up as much, but I guess I'm just so hot that it's gonna fog up no matter what. So I gotta keep cracking my visor and getting rain all in my face, which sucks. I'm gonna get some visor defogger or anti-fog or something, whatever it is. I saw a video a long time ago from Ryan F9 that compared a whole bunch of them, even a home remedy of toothpaste. And of course, the toothpaste did not do very good. So I'm gonna watch that again and probably get that, because this is dangerous, especially at night. Or the evening when, you know, it's darker and bright lights. There was one evening I was going home in the rain, and when I had a car coming on in front of me, I couldn't see. So all I would use is the reflectors on the center line to kind of know where the road was. And just hope that nothing was in front of me, like no car stopped that I couldn't see or anything like that. Oh, yeah, itching my nose. But yeah, that was scary, dangerous, not fun at all. So yeah, it's that's where we are. That's where I am, riding in the rain, third day in the rain. But that's the bike life. Keep on trucking, baby. And just, you know, keep it easy, don't go crazy, keep a little bit more distance, and yeah, eventually I'll get to wash my bike. You I'd love to put it in the garage, but currently we're staying with my parents while we're in between houses, and their garage is completely full of stuff. Like, they don't even have a car in there, so I guess that's what most people do at the garage. So I can't even get my bike in the garage, so I just cover it up with a cover. But when it rains, you know, that cover gets wet, and then I ride in the rain, so my bike gets wet, and then I put the cover on, so it's a wet bike with a wet cover, and it just stays wet. At least while it's raining. When it finally stops raining, I think tomorrow's supposed to stop raining. I'll wipe it down, dry it off, get all the road grime off, hang up the cover so it'll dry, and then start the whole process over again. I'll be so thankful when we get a new house, because it'll have a garage, and then this baby can be inside. It's never been really inside since I've had it. At our other house we had a carport, so it was covered, but it wasn't necessarily inside. You know, still exposed to the temperatures and all that other stuff, humidity. Because down in South Georgia it was humid, extremely humid. But now we'll have it in the garage. I'll be able to keep it nice, cleanish, and most importantly, it'll have a chance to dry if I ride home in the rain. Park it in the garage, dry her off, and start with a fresh bike the next day. Oh man, this is just yucky weather. Yesterday had some lightning popping around me, that was fun. Today's just kind of rainy, drizzly, yucky. And here I am. Thankfully, you know, my rain suit does pretty decent. I'll probably still get a little wet around the collar just from, you know, seepage. But I think I've got pretty much everything else sealed up. My pants are kind of a pain. They got a zipper down the side, and the zipper on the right leg is broken, like the little thing you hold on to. So I've got this little bitty stub. I gotta put like a paper clip on it or something to you know, put another handle on it. Zipper on the left side is starting to tear off at the bottom, so I gotta be real gentle with it. It's also got a tooth that's loose, I guess, because it gets hung up, and I gotta reposition it, and whatever. Buttons, it's got snaps down at the bottom that are supposed to, you know, keep it closed, but yeah, they suck. They broke the first day I got it. And instead of returning it like I should have, I was like, oh, I'll fix that. Well, guess what? It's too thick for a regular snap button. But oh well. Oh, freaking well. It works. The jacket does a good job though. I'm impressed with the jacket. And the boot gaiters that I got from Harley Davidson, they do a good job. They come up almost to my knees, so it completely covers that, you know, that gap between my cuff of the pants and like some boot covers, little rain shoes. And these boot gaiters are a lot better than having to, you know, switch between my riding boots and rain boots, and the rain boots are uncomfortable and they're tight, and just switching shoes while it's raining is not ideal. Luckily on my regular commute, I don't have to get changed in the rain normally. I can change in my office or change at home. put all these layers on. But there have been a couple times when I've been on road trips where I got caught in the rain, checked the radar, and oh, it's going to be a while. So, I'd pull up under a gas station and suit up, and usually get wet because I didn't have the boot gaiters. The boot gaiters are a new addition. I got those a few weeks ago, and I like them. They do a great job. The only problem I had is I did not wear my weather boots. I wore my regular riding boots that I guess are not sealed on the back heel. So the back heel of the boot gaiters is open. Makes it much easier to put on, take off, and Velcro's up the side. But yeah, it wasn't, I guess it's not waterproof, so it seeped in through my heels, so my heels got wet. But now I'm wearing my weather boots, which are waterproof. And so my feet stay dry. But that's just part of the fun of being a biker, especially being a commuter biker. Day after day after day, I'm on two wheels down these winding country roads. A lot better than the straight flat roads that I've been doing for the past 5 years. Please remember to be excellent to each other. Tuba Billy, signing out. God be with you till we meet again.